I was given this adorable little dog doctor kit for my little one so we could give you guys a fair and honest review. I can tell you that she absolutely loved it. It was such a surprise to be able to open, and I was really impressed with how many different things they packed inside of this cute little backpack. She can dress up like a doctor and feel like she's a veterinarian, which is so cute, and I absolutely loved that you could pop the dog in the backpack and you could still see the doggy on the inside. It has sparkles as well as so many different accessories, different medications and things that doctors would use to be able to do checkups on doggies, as well as pretend to be a doctor and also clean them. She has had the best time and has played with this for so long. She carries it with her everywhere she goes and pretends that the doggy isn't feeling well so she can make sure that she is making it feel better. The dog has a little switch on the bottom and it can walk around in circles, wiggle its tail and bark, which adds that extra adorable factor to it. My little one absolutely loves playing with this kit and pretending to be a doctor. If you have a little one in your life, I would definitely recommend checking this out. This is so cute and I love that it has that unique backpack feature to it. This would also make a really great gift.